For years, AI has been a co-pilot. It sits next to us, suggests a line of code, helps us find a bug. It's been a helpful assistant. But that just changed. AI isn't in the passenger seat anymore. It just took the wheel. A company called Cognition Labs just dropped DevinAI 2.0, and they are not calling it a tool or an assistant. They are calling it the world's first autonomous AI software engineer. And the demos are frankly terrifying and incredible at the same time. Today, we are going to cut through the hype, dissect and what Devin actually is, what it can do, and have an honest conversation about what this means for the future of our jobs as developers. This is the most important conversation in software development right now. So, what makes Devin so different from GitHub Copilot? It's a massive leap. Copilot is a pair program. It helps you code. Devin is an independent contractor. You give it a project and it goes and does the work. Think of it this way. Copilot is like having an expert whisper suggestions in your ear while you type. Devin is like hiring a junior developer, giving them a task from your Jira board and telling them to let you know when it's done and deployed. It has its own shell, its own browser to read documentation, its own code editor. It operates in the same environment we do. It's not just suggesting code, it's making decisions, and that changes everything. What's your current favorite AI coding tool? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious where everyone is at. The magic of Devin isn't just that it can write code. It can plan and reason. When you give it a task, it doesn't just start typing. It creates a step-by-step plan. Step 1, research the API docs. Step 2, set up the project environment. Step 3, write the core logic. And here's the kicker. If it hits a bug, what it does? It doesn't just crash. It reads the error message, forms a hypothesis about what went wrong, and then tries to fix its own code. That self-correction loop is what makes it truly agentic. Okay, let's look at what Cognition Labs actually showed us. They didn't just show it writing hello world. In one demo, they gave it a real bug bounty from an open source project. We watched it clone the repo, find the bug, write the fix, and even write tests to confirm the fixed worked. In another, they asked it to build a full web application that visualized data from a website. It figured out the API, built the front end, built the back end, and deployed it. This isn't just about coding anymore. This is about problem solving. This is the stuff that takes us hours or days of frustrating work. Alright, let's ground ourselves for a second. Is this the end of developers? No, not yet. First, Devin is a private preview. We have only seen curated demos. We don't know how it performs on a truly complex, messy enterprise level code base with years of technical debt. My guess, not so well. Second, it excels at well-defined tasks. The ambiguity, the stakeholder meetings actually can be changed the entire feature. That deeply human, messy part of software development is still our job. We are moving from being coders to being architects and project managers for AI. So what does this mean for you today? Your job is about to get a lot more interesting. You're going to be spending less time on boilerplate code, tedious debugging, and writing basic unit tests. And you're going to be spending more time on high-level system design, creative problem solving, and managing a team of AI agents like Devin. The most valuable developers in the next 5 years will be the ones who become the best AI orchestrators. Are you excited or nervous about this shift? Or both? Let's have a real talk in the comments. DevinAI is not a threat to the developer who is willing to adapt. It's a threat to the developer who insists on doing things the way we did them 5 years ago. This is a monumental step, and it's our job to learn how to harness it. To help you do exactly that, I've created an essential guide called as the AI Enhanced Developer Workflow. This isn't just theory, it's a practical PDF with prompt engineering tactics for coding agents, a checklist for integrating AI into your workflow, and the top skills you need to be mastering right now. It's your guide to becoming an AI power user. If this video gets your gears turning, smash that like button and subscribe, because we are going to be navigating this new world together.